What it do, YouTube? This your boy Richie Mo back at it again with another video. Got my bro right here just chilling, you know what I'm saying? And I do have some amazing news that I'm going to be doing thanks to talking to him and the homie Yui. They were going to we're going to a track meet. I mean, we were going to Thunder Valley. Thunder Hill. We was gonna go to Thunder Hill, and he's bringing his Integra, and he got a nice one. And Yui's bringing his Integra, and I'm going to bring mine. This is going to be my first time ever taking to the track. That's what I always wanted to do with my Integra. And I do have good news. I am putting some 10 suspension on my Integra. Now, my Integra, when I bought it, the suspension was horrible, and it's still horrible. The rear is lifted. Come to find out, has some Honda suspension added to it or something?
No, it's actually a broken suspension. It's broken.
So it's broken. So it's too lifted. So it's so much of a gap. You can put your whole fist in the gap, and you're not touching nothing. So it's really like this, and it's like the aero kit works in the front, but the back is
felt like a boat.
It feels like a boat. Yeah, so yeah, it feels like a boat. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a little update to let you know to be prepared. I'm gonna go to the track, and it's gonna be 3 Integras so far.
We got 4.
Oh shit, it's gonna be 4 Integras.
We got dashes also.
Ooh.
We got dashes.
Oh yeah, so it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be something definitely fun. So I know you guys are definitely gonna like it. It's next month, and I'm down to go. I want to do it, and like I said, we're gonna get these new suspension on the car because a lot of you guys been leaving comments over and over. Keep asking me when I'm lowering the car. Bro, that's like literally, I got 3 comments today on one of my videos about my Integra. Are you ever planning on lowering it? So yes, I'm about to lower it, and we're gonna get some 10s. It's gonna be the race. He said the race one? Because he don't got street, he got the race.
It's actually a street race.
Street race. Okay, so I'm getting a street race.
Mix for suspension.
So that's the good news. So I want to let you guys know that I'm excited, and I just can't wait to experience that and actually go on the track. I've never been on the track as far as that. I've been on the drag strip, but never been, you know, hey. So it's gonna be fun, and yeah, just want to let you guys know that, and yeah. Yo, shit right here, man. This thing, that's dope.
Woo. You should do that to your Integra, bro. His lights. His neon lights on yours.
Oh yeah. Look at that honeycomb, man.
You installed my rear wide body.
That thing is insane.
Where is it?
We're like,
you want me to do it? What's better?
I know you're training.
I looked at that and I was like, what?
Come on, bro, that's hella cheap.
I know.
That shit.
Girls pregnant like that.
That car is sick. Got a dope ass 350Z. They actually doing like a nice wide body. Nice. This rear is actually for a 370, right? Or
The rear is a replica from the 370.
Got you. Yeah, that's
badass. It's
Damn.
fitted for a 350.
350.
Yeah.
I like that, bro.
So
That shit's insane. Oh my gosh, look at that.
like now with these, I'm trying to cut these down.
Right.
Makeshift those. Probably put those somewhere up here.
Right.
And then, because I have my uncle who has a CNC machine.
Okay.
Trying to have him manufacture some kind of lights so I can mount them up here.
Mm-hmm.
So the light would just go down.
Oh, just go down. Yeah.
Because those are the stock lights for the bumper.
Right,
but
right.
Right now they're
Like
working.
working, but yeah.
I'm not tripping too much.
We're gonna wire it.
I fucking love your lights. Those are nice.
Good. Yeah, we have to. Well, these are plug and play. That's the only thing.
No, to the wiring harness.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying.
So it still gets the power from when you turn on the brake light.
Yeah, so you're basically
And like for day, like when you're at night and you turn on for just
Yeah.
normal night running.
yeah. So basically you're just stealing power from the main
Yeah.
harness. Yeah. I have a bunch of the connectors for everything. So.
Because like Yui told me he fixed the nest of wiring in the front.
Make a tab
For which car?
This.
Mine? No, you
For
didn't.
headlights?
Let me show
That
you
was
guys
Joseph's.
this. This
Oh,
is
that's
dope.
mine.
This?
I got a wide body right here.
One of them had a nest.
Sick.
Yeah, that was Joseph's.
Show you guys. He's still in the process.
Now that your doors.
This is dope.
Yeah,
He's getting a whole new
I
hood.
screwed in the bolt too far.
He's getting a new bumper. But yeah, this is good.
So like it's
And like that, yeah, I
It's
know.
like that. It's like.
Yeah,
like,
I
oh,
screwed the
shit.
bolt too hard and popped the door
you stripped
from
it.
the.
You stripped it.
But it's alright because I could take the.
Oh shit. You lucky. I need a remote. I still only got the fucking key.
I'm just trying to open
I need
the
a
door
remote.
and it's
I
like-
think I have an extra fob somewhere.
Swear, if you do, I buy it.
I think I have an extra fob.
You-
Actually,
Fuck yeah.
So
'Cause, bro,
the screw right here you fucked up.
this one here.
This one.
Yeah, I lost this one down here, but I can do whatever down here.
Let me see, where's my... See, I only got...
I think just screwing in the bottom will be fine enough.
And look at this, bro. This one, my fucking key is like bend as shit.
I think if you just
How much you sell it for?
It's like an extra key and fucking.
Oh shit.
fob.
So what?
From
So,
my 06, I had an 06 before that.
and I got an 06 right now.
So
What the fuck?
I mean, shit. If you want to try that,
Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh, no. How much? You sure, bro?
Yeah, it's all good.
Fuck it, bro. I got you. I'm gonna hook you up, bro. For sure.
It's all good.
Thank you.
Yeah, so
Got a
it popped
key.
it out from here. Yeah, I broke it. So that's why I just leave it. Right now, I'm gonna buy another one, but you know, payday's on the 1st, bro. I was like,
Right. Facts.
payday's
Right.
on the
Right.
1st. So.
Right.
It's like hanging off like that. It's like
Yeah.
that's off.
And plus, it's from when my wife got mad too. So that sounds good.
okay.
We're just gonna leave it at that too.
Oh, so your original paint is silver too, huh?
Yeah.
See, mine's is too. But they painted it white, but it's shitty paint.
Oh.
Like it's bad, but
Yeah.
I mean it's not bad. But if you know paint, it's
Yeah.
like
It's like they fucking
Yeah, they just
went, bought a spray can
Yup.
and said, here.
exactly. Yep. This
You,
is
he
sick.
said, what's up?
I know.
Nah, but
Nah, this is dope, bro. I fuck with it.
I'll get new tires.
These mirrors are
Oh,
easier
yeah.
to wrap.
So I'll get new tires. Probably do maybe same thing as like Isaiah. I kind of like that look.
Yeah, I like that too. Yeah, that's a
So,
sick look. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hentai.
I don't know about the hentai. I'll probably throw on maybe like some Naruto type shit or something.
Oh yeah, that go hard.
Oh, yeah.
I fucks with it, bro. It's sick.
Oh, good time.
I know. Hey, it takes time.
Oh yeah.
It takes time.
money,
Yeah.
and some.
That's the
TLC,
main
bro.
thing. Exactly. There we go. There we go. Yui shit right here, man.
My kid's screaming.
We need to finish your car, I need to finish my car, and then we're going
Your car's done. What the fuck's wrong with
I know, right?
Because I want my
It takes
Lexus
one whole
bumper.
day
I
to
know,
prep
bitch.
your
Like your
car,
car
too.
is pretty.
I know it's
much
already done, right?
never seen
Look at
it.
this
The only
shit.
thing he really needs, bro, is bags. That's it. He has
Oh.
bags and he airs out.
It's
that
over.
fitment would sit so much
Yup.
more flush.
Yup.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Game over.
2022, bro. I'm gonna wrap it purple too, so as twins.
See, that's what I want to do. I want to have all my shit the same color, GTA style.
Wait.
Did you show him?
Yeah, because on GTA, all my cars are one color in the
Yeah.
garage.
See, I want a charger too, so that'll be the heaven.
No,
The
no.
angel, and then this the demon.
It also takes one whole day for
That's
prep
what pisses
and one
me off.
whole
No
day
track
for
hawk?
part out.
No track hawk?
Oh, I'm good at the part out.
He'll get it as soon as he gets kids.
I'm already knowing. I'm already
Yeah, because
knowing.
once you have kids, bro, they're like fucking at a certain age. They're like what, $2,000 a kid, and then when
Yup.
they get older, they just drop down what, maybe like 200-300. So you're looking
Mhm.
at like 1,700 a kid.
Oh, that's
Like, what the fuck?
Does he know it perfectly?
Because he has kids.
I have 3
Exactly
kids.
right.
He waits for the end of the year.
Well,
How much
right.
do you play?
Wait, first off,
Right.
I'm getting fucking screwed anyways this year because Trump sent us the fucking stimulus package. So I mean, it don't really fucking matter.
Well, is he again?
Well,
Hey,
he
where did
says
that
I'm
next
waiting
month.
for it.
He says next
I'm waiting
month.
for
Where
it.
did that go?
Again,
The
I want
metal one, and it's more
throw an
ported
metal
out.
box system
For,
on here
WRX.
one of these days.
Oh yeah.
They make one.
Just
red.
so it looks
Yeah.
nice.
Hell yeah.
Ported out.
Can you buy
And
it
just
from,
so it has a little bit more
Subaru?
kick.
Yeah.
They're all over the.
So if
they're
I could
all
get
over
that
the Subaru
on top of the
Honda
Supra,
page.
bro.
Honda Subaru page. It's
I'm gonna have
cheaper.
2 amazing
No,
cars
but
to
like,
have
can you
it.
buy it from
Yeah.
Subaru direct?
And that's
You
what I
can,
want. That's
but
all I
you
want.
can't pay too much.
So where would the turbo would be on this side, right?
Oh yeah. So also my friend.
For this
Or
car,
for
you
this
could
car?
mount that
Airflow sensor,
bitch
that's
Anywhere? What?
What
Because
motor
there's
is
so
it?
much. Again,
But
if
you got-
I got rid of this,
Uh huh.
Is
well,
that
you're gonna
SCI
have
or
to for
WRX?
when you
Like for
turbo.
the turbo, right?
This whole front end is all play.
Okay.
What year is the Subaru?
I think it was 2015.
Like literally that whole front end is play.
The air fuel
You can
sensor?
remount that.
No, the air sensor.
Like
that,
here if you
put
want.
that
On
up.
top of the manifold.
the
So
one on top.
And his is
literally
turbo, so he
everything
has
in this front end is all for
No,
play.
intercooler on
That's
top.
crazy.
I
I
only
never
put this here just for looks.
just for looks, yeah.
Yeah, because
I never
trying
know.
to
I
remember
never
the
looked
bulk
under
that's-
a hood of the BRZs, bro.
Oh, I ain't talking about.
But now that I
those
know
too.
that you got
I
space
know.
to play
Those are
around,
easy.
bro, that's crazy.
Yeah, take off the
So you
intercooler.
can go,
The
bro.
line rail here, you can
What
go
the
in there.
fuck?
I have a
Again,
socket.
just the
He
bulk
said
that goes
earlier.
down.
Yeah,
These
I know what you're
cars
talking about. I know what
are
you're talking
meant
about.
to
Does that
be
happen a lot?
That happens a lot.
canvas.
We carry those in stock.
You could do anything with
Alright,
this.
how do you
car.
fix it?
That's why there's so
Send me a
many
picture,
modifications.
and then
There's so
I'll
many.
tell him to send me
engine
a picture of
mods,
it.
So many different looks
There's
of
a
this
socket, a
car.
special socket for
It's
that.
just
You gotta
are you
remove
willing
the
to search
lid,
for those parts.
get to
Right,
the bottom
right.
part, and take it off from the
Damn.
That's
bottom.
why
'cause
when
it
I
goes
saw
all
that
the way
bumper, I'm
down.
like, no one.
How do you break
Every,
that?
yeah. You gotta get, bro, get that. I like
You can
that bumper.
technically tack weld it, like
Bro,
drill
you'll
it
never
out
see that
small,
anywhere else.
really small bit.
So that's why.
And use a
when I
reverse
saw this
drill
car,
bit.
yeah,
So-
there's
Wait,
these
how does
other
that
people
keep
with the same
breaking?
kids
Is
stuff.
it,
That
But I
that
know I can do
piece,
something
it's
like
a,
that.
like
Oh,
a
yeah.
aluminum.
That's what I tried. That's
stud or
the
something.
honeycomb. You don't see
Oh,
no
so it's
honeycomb.
Not at all.
It's not.
That shit
It's like a
sexy.
nut. But it's like
Yeah,
a
and
little-
the
shit
problem
homemade.
is where it's at. The reason why those
you
break,
really
people
made that
take off
shit home.
integral and they'll hit that too.
Something's under your name.
And
did
they
it.
people over torque that.
You did
I
a
don't know
damn
why.
fucking good
He
job,
must have
bro.
ordered
I'm not
30.
gonna lie, that shit looks good. And you did this that too, or
Just the
just the
front.
fronts?
Because
I love
I'm
it.
still
One of them.
testing the waters.
Testing it
and
out. Right.
Watching a lot of videos from like, so I could go even better than that. Like,
Bro.
cut the corners.
Right.
Do it nice and even. Make it look like you just bought it off the fucking.
Yeah, it's in there.
What's that one? Carbon.
Yeah,
Save
save
But
on.
if
Yeah,
he's
save
changing
on.
the
Yeah.
I
manifold,
want
you
it
don't
to
have
be
worry
able to
about
look like you just bought that bitch
Bro,
on sale.
it looks insane on, especially on camera too. This shit is
weird,
crazy.
but yeah, then you don't have to worry
Yeah,
about
it
the
looks
manifold
good,
has a
bro.
new hole.
You did hella good.
Go get the new-
That looks
That's my
good.
goal too. Like
It's a 15,
for you
right?
to be able to look at it
His
from the
boost
picture and be
pressure
like,
might be a little high.
it's probably
You might have
ugly
to
in
tune
person.
Nah,
Oh shit, never mind. He good.
Nah, it looks good.
Those are
And that's my goal. Like,
it looks good in person and on this
I see
camera.
my buddy swapped it kind
looks
of
good, bro.
rough. Idle.
I never knew it, bro. I'm mindful because I never knew how
Unless
much
he has a
space
cob,
it was under.
And then
I never
there's
seen
a-
under their
I
hood.
see the cob.
This is a lot of.
That's
I mean, bro,
If
you
you
got
upgrade your
hella
manifold
place.
to the
You got hella space to play around though.
manifold,
yeah. If you want to add stuff, you
Like-
can make this a fast car. That's the thing.
you know, we're right.
It's not gonna. Obviously, stock. It's not gonna be.
Well, yeah.
Like the Access Sports.
Still can't
Oh,
be a
that one.
Prius on this car, but fuck.
They make a special.
Cause what's the natural horsepower like?
So
Stock
stock for
wise.
any
It'll
of
be
these
like-
cars are 200.
Okay.
AM intake plus this plus
but
downpipe plus
with
air
everything
plus
I put into
this
it,
stock new
I'm
manifold
probably
canteen and then
probably
you
only
can download
pushing
it.
like 2.
Put it onto your Access Sport cob. Let it run on this.
I got rid of the torque
then you're
dip
good.
too, so I have
Or he can do a special
Okay.
too. But
That's what I'm saying.
if he doesn't worry
Man,
about warranty
my car
shit,
is
go
way
get
too
a
heavy
cob.
with
It's
everything I
easier.
put onto it.
Yeah.
That's why it's
'Cause
not
when you go
getting
super
its
small,
full aesthetic.
you can
of
turn
everything
the-
I put into
Right.
it.
Cob, you
Well,
can-
shit is a show
the
car.
cob will
So.
say, you know
That's
how
why I'm not
it is
tripping.
Yeah, that's all.
with
Yeah,
Honda.
yeah. It's either
You
one
can
or the
save
other.
your
Yeah.
stock
But I do
setup
have everything
and
ready
switch back.
for the next step if I want to. So if I throw a supercharger, my car is ready. The reason why, my tires are huge as used.
Yeah.
No,
He has
you-
305s. I'm just a little step lower. I got
Yeah, change
295s right in the rear.
Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep.
Not many other cars run a huge fucking tire on these cars.
Right.
But I have it ready for if I supercharge a turbo, my rear can handle it.
15. Dude, you hit 15s with 4
Damn,
people.
bro,
Look at
that's
you like a god.
crazy. I love your fucking wheels too. They're so beautiful, man. Jeez.
I'm so happy you're sponsored by 6 Speed now.
That
When you
shit's
posted
sick.
it, I was like, this guy.
Yeah. that's
He's the
dope.
one that actually wants to do the other parts of my carbon.
Well, this is Megan Racing Coilovers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
I
they're about
fucking
to
knew
go
it.
off.
Mhm.
There's like 30. No, there's 32
That's dope.
32 dampening setups.
Yeah.
This should be warranty. You should call them.
I gotta check. I got it from
know.
FT86 speed.
Doesn't matter. This should be lifetime warranty.
I'll check.
It's
Because-
automatically on the disclaimer. If you go on a site, what's gonna happen is they're gonna tell you what's your number, send it in, and they'll send you a brand new one.
Of the like the whole thing or just the